Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. I am Alvin Nimilraj, research scholar at Loyola College, Chennai. So, today we are going to discuss about a company that is celebrating its 40th year. Yes, we are going to discuss about Infosys, the IT giant, the face of Indian IT sector. So, this content is available in Tamil in our own YouTube channel Money Pechu, and the link for that video is given in the description below. So let's get started. Infosys was started in the year 1982 by Mr. N. Narayanamurthy along with his friends who were the former employees of Patni Computer Systems based in Pune. The N. Narayanamurthy started with a borrowed capital of nearly 10,000 from his wife, and along with him his six friends have invested 10,000 into the business, and they came up with a new setup, Infosys, in the year 1982 in a single bedroom apartment at Pune. Then they moved to Bangalore in the year 1983, where they got their first clients, Data Basic Corp, which is a US based client, and they got the first order for software codes, for writing software codes. In the year 1989, they entered into a JV with KSA Techno, a US based company, and because of that JV, they were about to collapse. They were bankrupt. That time only this company, Data Basics Corp, were the first clients for Infosys. They gave a good opportunity for Infosys, wherein they got an on-site offer for Infosys, which means the employees of Infosys were given opportunity to work on-site in the US. And because of this, the face of Indian IT emerged in the US market also. And till now, the US clients contribute nearly two-thirds revenue for Infosys. In the year 1993, after 10 years, they got listed in India, and they got ISO 9001 certification in the same year. And in the year 1999, Infosys became the first Indian company to get listed in the tech-heavy Nasdaq. And in the year 2004, Infosys became the first company to issue ESOP, and they crossed 1 billion in revenue. TCS was the first IT company to cross this 1 billion revenue, and Infosys comes the second. And in the year 2022, this year they have crossed nearly 100 billion in terms of market capitalization, and now they are celebrating their 40th year, and current market capitalization for them is nearly $72 billion. As per the last year's financial statements, their revenue was about 17.5 billion, and they have a nearly 3.5 lakh employees in Infosys. So they started with just 10,000 per person in the year 1983, and now they are a $1 billion company. And along with this Infosys, there were several competitors. For example, Pentafor was there, Silverline Technologies were there. Silverline, it was incorporated in the year 1992 in Mumbai, and they started the technology business in a good phase, because in between 1996 to 1999, their CAGR was nearly 22 to 24%. They were earning good profits, but the major setback for them was rapid acquisition. Yeah, they acquired many companies across the globe, many IT companies in an aggressive manner and with an overvaluation. And the main problem for them was the acquisition of Serranova. It's an e-commerce company based in Canada, and they acquired that company at a higher value or at a overpriced. And because of this, they incurred a lot of debt. Following that came the dot-com bubble. After that, they really collapsed. Then the Pentafor Technologies. It's a Chennai-based company only. It was incorporated in the 90s, and they performed really well in the initial phases. But after 2000, after the dot-com bubble, they got diversified. They expanded their business to various sectors. Primarily, their main thing was computer training, computer related education, hardware and software sales, IT, animation, and so on. But after that, they got diversified into many businesses. Like they entered into media, they entered into TV telecast, and even they invested a lot in Mayajal Entertainment, which had a lot of multiplexes. And after that, to 2010, they just diluted their stake in Mayajal, and they had many resorts, multiplexes. They diversified aggressively. Because of this, they incurred a lot of losses. They were not able to generate a good revenue, and since these two companies went out of their core business idea, they became a failure. But Infosys, from the start, 1983, till now, 2022, they are running a top-notch business with a highly intellectual and organized top-level management, and they are concentrating on their core business ideas only. They didn't make many acquisition in the initial phases, and now they are doing it at a good rate, and they are a debt-free company. The success story of Infosys is also for its investors. In the year 1993, they rolled out their IPO at 95 rupees per share. Yes, if you had invested rupees 10,000 in their IPO, if a person has invested rupees 10,000 in their IPO, they would have got 105 shares at that time. And one more important thing is they are undersubscribed. Their IPO was undersubscribed by 13%. Yes, and its merchant banker Enam have taken the entire share, and they had given it to Morgan Stanley. And after IPO, they were listed in the stock market at rupees 145, which is about 52% higher than their issue price, which is the 52% is their listing gain on the day of listing itself. After for about 30 years, still from the stock market, from getting listed in the stock market, they have given 57 dividends, both interim and final dividend. They have given some 57 dividends, and its value is about 2 crore 6 lakh 50,875 rupees. Apart from dividend, they have given nearly 8 bonuses. Yeah, they have given bonus in the year 1994, 1997, 99, 2004, 6, 14, 15, and even in 18. And in the year 2004, they have given 3:1 ratio bonus, which means they have given 3 shares for every 1 share held with them. So they have given 8 bonuses. They have made a split in the face value of the shares. They have reduced the face value of the shares from 10 to 5 in the year 1999. So if a person had invested rupees 10,000 in its IPO, they would have got 105 shares, and after bonus and split, the effective number of shares today it would have been 80,640 shares. And the current market price of Infosys, it's trading at around 1,508, and 1,508 into this 80,640 shares, it would be around 12 crore 16 lakh 5,120. So if a person had invested 10,000 in its IPO, they would have got an accumulated return of about 14 crores 91 lakh 53,416, which is around 15 crores. So from 10,000 to 15 crores, if an investor had waited for nearly 30 years, that's value investing, and that's the success journey of Infosys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, click on the like button, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notification as well.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.